Hello all, Andy Stewart, Solution Engineer for the ArcGIS Indoors team. Today, we will be taking your existing CAD data and bringing it into the ArcGIS Indoors schema by just using the ArcGIS for AutoCAD Indoors template. Previously, we explored how to create your ArcGIS Indoors template for ArcGIS for AutoCAD. We also learned how to edit and manage your building floor plans in ArcGIS for AutoCAD after your Indoors floor plans were published to your ArcGIS Indoors portal. To learn how to get started with creating and using an ArcGIS for AutoCAD Indoors template, I suggest watching my tutorial called ArcGIS Indoors ArcGIS for AutoCAD Workflow. Now, we will learn how to edit and manage floor plan data before it is brought into ArcGIS Pro for Indoors to run Floor Plans Indoors geoprocessing tool. In the video I recommended watching, we created an ArcGIS for AutoCAD template that will allow CAD users the ability to work with Indoors document feature layers that contain the ArcGIS Indoors schema. Make sure to have the ArcGIS for AutoCAD template downloaded and ready to work with on your desktop. I will provide a downloadable link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open your DWG floor plan in AutoCAD. Select your drawing and type in the command copy base. After typing copy base, click the corner of your building. Now go to your ArcGIS for AutoCAD Indoors template and locate the region your drawing will be displayed. Use the locate button in the ArcGIS for AutoCAD ribbon to quickly locate your facility in the map. Once you have located your facility, go ahead and type clip paste in the command. Click on the corner of your building in the map. When you're finished georeferencing your floor plan, remember to double-click. The next step is to modify your drawing if you want to fit your building's footprint. You can do this by selecting your CAD floor plan, then go into your Home tab to find the Modify button. Use these tools to rotate, scale, and move your CAD floor plan. After modifying your floor plan, go to your Layers button and select Layer Properties. In Layer Properties, select all the layers except for your polylines that contain units. Now we are going to move your CAD polylines into the document feature layer called Units. Make sure in the polylines you select are closed because your units, facilities, levels, and details need to be snapped and connected. Go to your layer drop-down list, search for units, and select it as the layer type for those polylines. Next, go to your document feature layers, which can be found in the ArcGIS ribbon at the top. Open the Units attribute table. Now, add all the attribution pertaining to these building units. Repeat this process for all of your building units. Once I have all of my building unit polylines categorized and attributed, I can move on and do the same for my facilities, details, and levels layer. Now, we can turn back on the units layer to visualize the change in the layer type. Since these polylines are now part of the units layer, I can do a right click and then drill into the Esri Identify button. This is a quick way to edit the attribution of your polylines. Once you're done curating your data, you can go ahead and save your DWG. Now, open ArcGIS Pro. Add the modified DWG that you transformed in AutoCAD. Once your data loads, go ahead and locate it on the base map. You will find that your data has already been georeferenced. In ArcGIS for AutoCAD, it stores the world file for you once you save your drawing. Go ahead and turn off all of your CAD layers. Just leave the layers on that you brought over into the document feature layer list in ArcGIS for AutoCAD. Finally, you're able to click on a building unit polygon and see that it is now a GIS feature layer that has the ArcGIS Indoors schema. To conclude this tutorial, we learned how to copy and paste existing CAD floor plans into the ArcGIS for AutoCAD Indoors template. We learned how to organize the CAD polylines into GIS document feature layers to be usable in the ArcGIS Pro for Indoors tools. And finally, we learned how to add the DWG into ArcGIS Pro and visualize the change of CAD polylines into GIS unit polygons.